Hello, my name's Jason, and many people ask me, how do I grow my YouTube channel? Well, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest tips that I've learned over the last 5 years of how to get more subscribers and how to get tons more views on your YouTube video channel. Have a look at this. Stress how important this first tip is. There's hundreds and hundreds of video editing software packages out there. They all claim that they're the best, but the one that I found that is the easiest to use, the simplest to use, and the fastest to use, just helps you knock it out the park, is called Camtasia. I really can't stress how easy and what a joy it is to use. Everything's drag and drop. For example, this is what I'm using actually right now to edit and upload the video that I'm doing right now to you in YouTube. Got a JPEG, drag it onto here. Made a video, drag it onto here. Want to edit the size and the length of the clips or your audio, just move things up and down. It really is fantastic to use, and it's a game changer. This tip is equally, if not more important than the first tip, thumbnail and graphics creator. You need something that can quickly and easily punch out eye-popping graphics, clickbait that will make your audience wow click on your videos. This was the second game changer bit of software that I found. It's called Blaster Suite, and they do a whole load of software to help you promote your YouTube channel. No, I'm not affiliated with them, but what got me into Blaster Suite was something called Thumbnail Creator. Imagine Photoshop and all the other expensive editors, right? But 99% less price and 99% easier to use. So you got loads of templates you can use there, but they're just so amazing. Let me just show you one of my templates. I make my own templates because they're just so easy to use. So here's one, for example, that I created, funny enough, for this YouTube video, right? So here we go. So look, let me show you how easy it is to use. So there you go. So look, easy. Oh, let's get rid of the 3 there. Boom. You can, everything's drag and drop. Look, you can drag everything around. Really easy to do. And if you want to change the backdrop, the background, look, you just click the button there from preset material on there. You want to send it to the back. Let me just send it to the back there. There you go. That's how easy it is to use. So Blaster Suite should definitely be on the top of your list for thumbnail clickbait editors. Made your video, you've uploaded it to YouTube, now you want to get loads of exposure on different social media websites. Now there's tons of tools that you can use to post your video links to social media sites, but the best one that I found that is a one-off fee, and again, no, I'm not affiliated with it, is called Hero Post. So here it is. This is what it looks like. This is on the dashboard. There's no monthly subscription, which is brilliant. You can link up Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Telegram, etc, etc, etc. Once you've connected them to your sites, you just click schedule like that, and then you can click add post. So this is how I put my stuff on there, and then you'll see here I've got hundreds and hundreds of different social media sites that I connect to, right, to put my video posts up there. I click on a link, put my YouTube link there, put a thumbnail image up there, put my caption in, and then post now, and it does it in about literally 10 minutes. So there you go. I hope that's helped. Those are the 3 best tips that I've learned to help you get more subscribers and people to watch your videos. I wish you the best of success with your YouTube channel. You take care. Speak to you soon.